nang humataw si Billy, ang mga finalists di na rin napigilan tumayo at sumayaw.
Idol ko talaga si Will lalo sa pagsasayaw. So, ang galing niya. Ay, naku. Napaus na ako kasi sigaw. Sobra.
Sobrang galing ni Billy, yung kumakanta at sumasayaw at the same time. Pero pag sumasayaw siya, sobrang galing talaga. Biruin mo, international performer.
The crowd gets wilder nang mag-ala Michael Jackson si Billy.
Yung favorite part ko nung ginawa niya Michael Jackson. Parang, alam mo yun, yun yung Michael Jackson na tinitilian ng tao, pero sa katauhan niya. Tapos binigyan niya pa ng iba pang style, iba pang magic.
This is the best party I've ever been to in my entire life. Wow!
Para sa finalists, this was the best treat in their ride to fame. But of course, they wanted to be face-to-face with their idol.
Hindi ako makainga. Ito na to, maiyak.
The finalists got the high of their lives as they met the star of the night.
So you guys, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much. Galing.
So, what did you say about skills?
So galing. Galing. Dahil ko natutunan.
Next time is Justin Timberlake, Michael Jackson.
Inaalo eh.
Thank you again. Thank you guys. Thank you. Salamat to you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pare walang hug. Nelo ka. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Thanks, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go, guys!